the bottom 2 shelves into a dumpling. Huh? Like it. Slap me across the face. Still dreaming. I must be really deep in there. What do you want money? I don't have 2, 3, 8, 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Of the bag.
I really hope this kidnapping plan works.
I think this is a case of mistaken identity. Hey, where you going? No, come back. I'm giving you to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 309.
I'll be right back.
You. Who is he? This is Vic. Only abandoned me in an alley as a kitten.
Vic.
Oh, man!
Oh, you should have seen your faces. Post that ASAP.
Posting a video of someone who is not in public, especially in prank-like behavior, is actually really grey territory, and they can solve it in court. Not in my courtroom, though. I am busy enough.
Chop, chop, gentlemen. Look alive.
You're so quiet. Are you feline sad?
How do you two know each other?
Let me handle this, Jim.
You may call me Garfield, Mr. Garfield, or G-Money.
As they are all criminals, I do wonder how they got the table set up and the milk.
What's going on? Oh, we really don't need to get... What?
Same for the piano, which actually looks really expensive.
Then I met Vic and his losers. Thugs. We had each other. We became a... We were about to make our biggest score.
Jinx. What happened next?
It was cold and lonely, very stinky. I can't overstate that enough. To get out, I just needed help.
You need from him to make this right.
The milk I lost that night, and we'll call it even.
I can do that.
Every day I was in the pound.
What now?
2 days.
Oh, that long?
All right, I'm gonna do the math. 1,675 quarts of milk, exactly right, Odie.
Suggest you go back to the place you double-crossed me.
I'll leave you two to work out the fine print. Well,
No, you're all going to do this.
there's a whole crew of low-life cat burglars he could ask.
Miserable you make one another brings me endless satisfaction. You can stay and have a play date with Roland and Nolan.
She basically forces them to commit a heist.
Anger management mantra.
Anyone else have any objections?
Thanks for the opportunity.
Or else.
But if you give me a chance to explain, you'll see.
It was exactly like that.
No, it wasn't. Let me tell you.
With Jinx, this is your mess, not...
Can't let you do that.
I'll be watching you.
Like a hawk.
To my attention that there'll be an attempt to rob one of your fulfilling my civic responsibility.
Just sounds like some cat prank calling us.
Cats mean business.
I should prevent this brazen thievery from occurring. An evil genius I am.
Office and formulate an ingenious plan.
Victor?
Why are you here? I was bringing this to you. That's what we agreed to, right? You and me square now?
5 years I lost because of you. It was never about the milk. I needed you to suffer.
You have an idea about how that should happen?
I do.
Next to her evil scheme to get rid of Vic, she does take all the stolen milk and the truck.
She's gonna tie him up, take him on a train, him off the Mile High Bridge.
Yourself to blame for this?
There's got to be some way for me to make this right. I mean...
And you will.
On your status, chipmunk.
Now!
What's about to happen next?
Me? And I didn't come this far just to turn around. Let me... Wait, this way. What do we do now? We do this. Everyone. And that's too time!
Come back. Now, where were we? Ow! Drop them now!
Their love for one another indicates they are together.
So?
We're no longer comfortable with your plan.
Somebody love me, even though I can't sit still for more than 10 seconds.
I'm New York, loud and proud.
You two!
That. The package. Here.
No one will come looking for her.
Burned her paperwork and then shredded it. And
This
Never happened.
see, I know you planned the milk truck heist. And
Where are you? Break the dog! Hit the...
You know I got you, buddy. Hear me. Answer me. We're on the roof of the abandoned...
Not you anymore.
It's a...
As the police is looking for Petey the Cat, he just launched out of the sewers and is speeding through the streets. As he is not allowed to be in the sewers, we will count this as trespassing. We are also sentencing him for reckless driving, fleeing police, and illegal weapon possession for that bomb.
Officer Knight is a tough cop with Kung is smart, but his body...
If they combine their skills.
Or that never happens. These for the world! What? You're fired! I'm up here! Clear everyone! No one here! I don't care!
Green means go. Red... I guess red's usually right, but...
Got it!
This is Sarah How curious this is. What will be...
yeah. Oh, I got it.
You're going down, dog.
Doing this, you fired me. It does.
Vacuum cleaners! Dog! Massively expensive
Crackers, and they're like $5. Literally, you did me a paycheck. You gave me more chocolates.
Vacuum in the ocean.
and see this. And there goes Petey.
Big Jim.
So our evil cat built the biggest vacuum cleaner and wants to give all the dogs in town their biggest scare. As he is creating a big terror in the city, we are going to count this as terrorism. At least the vacuum cleaner cleaned up all the dust on the roads. That's nice, actually.
Big Jim. Hey.
Okay.
Escaped again.
Again?
No Bones 2000.
Petey, straight to...
Hey, Petey! The warden gave me balloons for my... Here, Petey.
Petey escaped again.
Again?
More speeds up.
Right?
There go the crate expectations. Game again. Show that one.
Cut it out. You want to play? Oh, man.
Again? Again! This place... You're back. Clean this...
Just forgot my phone charger. The only person who could owe me a paycheck.
Oh, I...
Or not money.
The only person who...
Wait.
Sarah Hadoff here isn't rebuilding a...
Flippy could be extra dangerous and psychokinetic.
What?
Stole him and flew over the lip back where he might puncture a litter alive.
What?
But who...
To take down Dogman.
just crank up the evil is maxed out. Let's get more specific. Destroy Dogman. Yes, destroy. Owning machine. Shoot. Open door to retrieve your clone. What? To reach adulthood? Separately? No! Papa? No.
So, we let this cat cook, and now he made a clone of himself. It's not exactly what he wanted, but he is so cute. As cloning yourself is illegal, we are gonna count this as illegal experimentation. Also, as the clone is basically a child, and he clearly does not take care of him properly, this is also child abuse. Anyone that wants to take in a kitty?
Spirit. Now I gotta go do something, and you're not ready yet.
Why?
But no talking.
Do you have
Flying mechanical gloves. They don't make it stop calling me Papa.
Papa?
You just hold on and be... Little game.
Ooh, I hope.
Home game.
10, right?
Of course.
How much does he cost? $1.
$1.
Change? Your name.
He doesn't have one. What's wrong with people? Free? I mean... Little dude?
Papa? Papa?
I need you to... Unbelievable! Get him! What?
How'd you find me? Hey, Papa.
The squirrel shooter!
Hey, squirrels?
Yeah, I'm kind of counting on... This is my room, and this is yours. No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're not.
This junk closet is not safe as a children's room. We are going to count this as child abuse for trying to make him sleep in that dirty room. Let the kitty sleep in your bed, Mr. Petey. You can sleep in that bucket instead.
This can be mean. Got to keep going. We're going to keep going.
Dogman!
Oh, wait, seriously, keep...
Squirrels?
For the one cat bee!
Pretty? Go up! Say, do-gooder! My plan worked! And for it now, Dogman. Gooders. Hi, Dogman! Oh! Let me! Wait! Petey!
Dogman! Me down!
Idea. Brilliant. They can find you before the ticking... wait for a...
Special delivery! Hit it, Dogman!
Oh. Now! My beastly... Yes! Oh, no, 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 no!
Petey!
You like these? No.
You can be critical as an evil warlord, but I'm most certain that he just pushed that guy off the balcony.
We're still... And there's no I would rather you be tonight. Well done. Autograph, lovely touch. Good job. Well done.
Basically, this guy invited that town samurai to a party where everyone was paid to act so he could destroy the town.
Those biker gangs, excellent. Serial killers, studio executives, wow, looks like...
What about him?
Wait, arrest him.
Gathering an evil army is legal, but this dude did nothing wrong.
Don't be stingy with the poor. Can't crush the innocent on an empty stomach. Right, assemble the troops. Ah, the smell of victory. Save receipts.
It's showtime. All right, everyone knows what to do.
This is the best bit, isn't it? Waiting. Go!
They're falling for it.
One, you gotta watch for birds.
The one bullet. What are we gonna do?
We've been...
That's a car.
It's that dog.
Arrest the dog!
Yes.
Is he sick? What the mother father cocker spaniel's going on here?
I am your father. No, I'm not. Outwitted by a stupid dog.
So,